Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. The intraday, we're gonna see the US stock market, what we might expect next. For this intraday, 1 hour and 50-minute chart, we start with Nasdaq as usual, where we are still looking here at a potential ending diagonal formation for a wave 1. It can be also still extending as a wave 1 in the last move here as a wave 5, meaning like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. After finishing here, also a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 1, wave 2. This might be your wave 1 and 2 for the wave 3, that it might start to unfold the next week, of course, the next Monday, as a massive drop. In case we are very, very bearish, we're still looking for the wave C here. In case we are in a very bearish market, ABC 0.38. Don't forget, after a finished wave 1 here, I'm looking for ABC wave 2 0.38 Fibonacci level minimum requirement. 27K $444. So this is my highest probability, of course, for the bearish. For the bullish, we're not yet totally out of scenarios. We're still, of course, in something bullish and even in sideways, which is a triangle A, B, C, D, and a E. Don't forget that this can be in a zigzag, another zigzag here, another zigzag over there, and we might still see a wave D and a. Now, why I doubt a little bit the triangle? Because I cannot find a reason. I cannot find a reason for it, because normally a triangle can be a wave 4 as a correction in case this is an impulse. And if we are in a wave 4, that means, well, this is the wave 1, 2, the only wave 1, 2 that you have here. So it is impossible to alternate a very large wave 4 in such a very shallow wave 2, right? Where I think that we have finished the wave 4 over there, which is this alternation. Of course, this is your wave 4 for alternating the wave 2 perfectly, and the impulse is done and finished as a wave 1, meaning highest probability is bearish. Okay. Now, in case that we are still looking for something for higher, well, okay, it can be something as an extension unfolding here. But again, meaning like a 4 and a 5 there as an ending diagonal. But again, the question mark, I mean, is this as a wave 4 alternating this wave 2 still acceptable? Meaning this is your wave 3 there, by the way. Still acceptable, yeah, in case that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That's why the probability is a little bit higher here from the triangle. So I would say, of course, there is a trend here, whether up and down and no sideways. Okay, no sideways, I would say, or very, very low probability in sideways. But basically, it is bearish or bullish. Highest probability goes for the bearish, okay, for the 0.38 Fibonacci level. Confirmation, meaning like currently we are 65% bearish. We are almost like 35% for the bullish, for the diagonal. But confirmation for lower would be, of course, bringing us to 75% directly, to 0.38 Fibonacci level. So this is how I read it right now. This is how I estimate the things, guys, for NASDAQ. If we move to SPX as well, SPX shows also some weakness, but of course we saw a pump lately. We're gonna see this pump. Why? Of course, all the markets are pumping right now based on the news, but basically we have a wave 1 and a wave 2 very likely also to unfold, because if we are looking here at something as a triangle as well, I cannot find any alternation for it. Yeah, so it's really impossible to have a wave 4 long in time just for a very shallow wave 2 like that. Therefore, the highest probability here is still for the bearish as an ABC here. ABC minimum target 0.38 for 7K $90. Now, in case of bullish, we're still there. We didn't took the 886, which is the red flag. And it is very likely to be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an ending diagonal also, but the probability is less than the bearish again. So we're still in 65% here also for the bearish, and a 35%, I would say, for the bullish. Now, where I turn higher for the bullish, once, of course, we push above the 0.618 here, and then we see something as an impulse unfolding toward the upside. Currently, I still don't see that. Of course, the pressure might still continue despite a little bit of green candles here, especially that you have three waves there. three waves, W, X, and a potential wave Y here. So we have to be careful with it. Plus, we have our target. Yeah, so this was our expected red zone here, the 0.23 and a wave 4. So why I should be surprised if we push for higher here, right? So basically, I would say that even there is a very high probability that we might be in a very large ending diagonal. Yeah, so this is also a bearish probability, meaning a wave 1, 2, and then a wave 3 here, 4, and a 5. But the wave 5 is still unfinished. Of course, you still need to finish it. And we need to take the low. Don't forget this. So we'll see, guys, if this is also a probability. But for me, it's still higher that we might be also in on double 1, 2, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. This is might be even much more deeper and aggressive toward the downside. So 7K, $90 in any way. Is it the diagonal? Is it the impulse double 1, 2? Is it one impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? This should be taken, right? So this is the idea over there for the bearish. Finally, we're gonna see the Dow Jones. For Dow Jones on the 1 hour chart as well, we are looking here for this impulse can be finished and in the top, and we're looking again for something lower. Now, I have mentioned that after taking this high here and this rejection there for the 1.38, we are estimating two or three even probabilities for the bearish here, starting from there. A, B, and a C expanding flat, three ways down, three ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit this zone area 51K 100 for a Dow Jones, and we'll see if this is gonna play as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, right? So signal of strength is required over there by breaking the high after 5 ways up, and then continuation for higher prices. If this is not given, of course, then nothing yet will be bullish. It might continue and drop for a deeper wave to there. It can be an ABC, meaning like that. Even it can be a large A B, and a C, meaning this is a three ways down, three ways up for a wave B expanding flat, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reach the 1.618 50K or 49K as well by taking this low. And we'll see, we'll take it also from there in case we are still bullish. Yeah, but I doubt it. And of course, after breaking all these levels, then the large correction 0.38 might come next at 49K. That was it for the US stock market. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.